Have you ever wondered what a typical day looks like for someone else? What time they wake up, what they eat for breakfast, or how they spend their evenings?
Today, we're talking about daily routines, the things we do every day or almost every day.
Knowing how to talk about your routine is very useful for English learners. You can practice verbs, time expressions, and even talk about your habits. I'm Anna.
And I'm Leo. Today, instead of just talking about our routines, we have a special story from a friend of the channel.
Yes, Mary sent us a detailed description of her day, and we're going to listen to it together.
So, let's dive in. Let's listen to Mary's day.
Hello, my name is Mary, and I'd like to share my daily routine. On weekdays, I usually wake up at 6:15 a.m. I'm not a morning person, but I like having quiet time before starting work. I usually stay in bed for a few minutes after the alarm, then get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and do my skincare routine. After that, I get dressed. I usually wear workout clothes because I go to the gym every other day. On gym days, I leave my apartment around 6:45 a.m. and walk to the gym. I start with a 10-minute warm-up, then do strength training and cardio, and finish with stretching. The whole session takes about 45 minutes. On the days I don't go to the gym, I stay home and do a short stretching routine or yoga, or sometimes I just enjoy a calm morning with a cup of coffee. After exercising, I take a quick shower and go to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually eat eggs, toast, and fruit, and I always make coffee. While eating, I often check the news or listen to a podcast. At 9 a.m., I start work. I work from home, so I go to my desk and turn on my computer. I check my emails, plan my tasks, and focus on projects. I usually work until 12:30 p.m. with a short break in between to stretch and drink water. Then I have lunch. I usually cook something simple like pasta, rice with vegetables, or a salad. Sometimes I eat with a friend who lives nearby. After lunch, I like to take a short walk outside to get some fresh air. In the afternoon, I continue working until 5:30 p.m. I have online meetings a few times a week, and on other days, I work independently. After work, I like to disconnect. I change into comfortable clothes and relax for a bit. Some days I run errands, grocery shopping, picking up dry cleaning, or going to the pharmacy. Other days, I stay home and read, listen to music, or watch a TV show. I usually make dinner around 7 p.m. I enjoy cooking, but I keep meals simple during the week. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and sometimes prepare food for the next day. In the evening, I like to unwind. I watch a series, call a friend, or spend time with my family. Before going to bed, I prepare my clothes and bag for the next day. I take a shower around 9:30 p.m., then read for a few minutes before turning off the lights. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m. That's my typical weekday routine.
Wow, that was Mary's daily routine.
Yes, and notice how she included so many details. Gym every other day, errands, cooking, and even her wind-down routine.
She also used very common everyday verbs: wake up, get dressed, go to the gym, cook, clean, relax, go to bed. Perfect for learners.
And the times help us understand sequence and practice expressions like around 6:15 a.m., 9 a.m., 5:30 p.m., 10:30 p.m.
Now it's your turn. Try describing your daily routine in English. Think about times, habits, and things you do every day.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the English Talk channel with anyone learning English.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.